Click overtake available. On click overtake still available, it will be mode 10 in the last sector. Mode 10 when you can. Okay, Ricciardo behind you is on base. Ricciardo behind you is on base. Good job here, good job. Watch your battery now. Okay, get a bit of anti-deploy where you can, so we can defend again next straight. DRS enabled, DRS enabled. Try to keep the DRS. We are missing a tenth for the DRS of Stroll. We are missing just 1 tenth. Okay, battery is low, Pierre. Battery is low. No more overtake. Consider mode 8. You're doing a very good job with the anti. We need 1 more lap of mode 8. Sorry. I'll try to do the DRS. We're missing a couple of tenths now. Ocon is 2 seconds behind. Okay, it's coming 1.5 now. On the rear slip is at the limit, but okay. Rear slip is at the limit, but it's okay. And we can consider third toggle for turn 2021, which is a bit neutral there. And Pierre, if we want a couple of laps of performance, we can use mode 7 for a couple of laps. EB8, and we have Ricciardo coming fast on base. Ricciardo has gone past Ocon. It's 1.4 behind now, Ricciardo. And update on tires when you can. Update on tires. Doesn't look too bad from here.
So 4K.
Consider EB8 for rotation. Consider EB8 for rotation. Ricciardo is 2 tenths from your DRS. Okay, if possible, we need to keep going a little bit with the lift off, please. Where possible, a bit of lift off for right. And Ricciardo is in your DRS now. Danny lost DRS from Stroll, but Ricciardo is in yours. Battery is okay. Mode 9 now. Mode 9 now. Battery will be low. On focus exit turn 7. Battery will be on the low side. Virtual safety car, follow the reference. Charge on, charge on. Mode 7 in the background. Push toggle off. I keep you posted, Pierre. I keep you posted on what we do. Stay in shape 3, front brakes are hot. Flap adjust for base, Pierre. What do you think about the balance on this tire?
I'm pretty happy. Tiny bit of understeer.
Copy that. Stay close to 0. Box, 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 box. Torque 1 in the pit lane. Stay close to 0. We will likely fight a couple of cars on pit exit if some cars are pulling out. And you can do charge, but stay close to 0. Box, 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 box. Keep following the reference. We are still under virtual safety car.
Update on the cars ahead.
Okay, so we just have the 2 Ferrari who didn't pit. They are on prime on base. Everyone else pitted. Everyone on base. Safety car deploy. Safety car deploy. Mode 14. Mode 14. Charge off and toggle off. And we are still on the high side for the front brakes. You will stay in shape 3. And behind you we have Ricciardo, Giovinazzi. Sorry, Ricciardo in front didn't pit. Behind us is Giovinazzi, Ocon and Danny. Giovinazzi didn't pit, Ocon and Danny pitted for base. So we have a safety car out now, and we'll see what Ferrari is doing, likely to start given their starting compound. So obviously you know the target now.
How many laps to do?
44 more laps, 44.
Try to tell me where I was losing compared to Stroll, the first stint.
Okay, we check. Compared to Danny, we have just 2021. Other cars, Sainz and Prime, for example, 2021, they were doing less management and pushing a bit harder.
Copy.
Okay, so Ferrari is staying out. Ferrari is staying out. Currently P11, but the two Ferraris still need to box. Likewise with Ricciardo. So 3 cars in front will have to box. Keep following the
still have
reference.
the safety
Keep
car.
following the reference. Okay, so compared to Stroll was turn 20. Turn 20 was pushing a bit harder on the braking turn 1. Braking turn 1. Do we think we have margin in turn 1 or any limitations there?
I'd rather focus on the exit.
Okay, copy that. So tires are still in a good position.
A bit of vibration. Anything I can do?
I check. Okay, we can see a little bit at the front tires, but it's really, really small. Nothing to worry about.
Okay. In terms of mapping, I don't know. Anything to suggest, or I keep doing what I did?
What you did was very good. What you did was very good. Okay, so the car is still being cleared, so watch out for Perez car being cleared. And for the restart, we'll keep the offset, and we will go to mode 3 for the restart. I will keep you posted. So obviously, everyone but Giovinazzi are on base. Giovinazzi is on prime, so we have to keep an eye on him at the restart.
Is it the car behind?
Confirmed, Giovinazzi prime is the car behind. Safety. Keep working on your tires. Safety car in this lap. Okay, charge on. Mode 3 in the background. Charge on. Mode 3 in the background to get ready. On reminder, we are on offset 0, which is good for the restart, and then you need to go back forward. And we will go to mode 7 after mode 3. We will go to mode 7 in the last store after mode 3. Okay, the safety car is starting to pull away. Get ready. You can do charge off now if you want. Racing from the line. Charge off. Let's get ready in case they go. Offset 1 click forward. On mode 7 in the last sector. Mode 7 before last corner when you can, please. Mode 7 when you can. Okay, we have Ocon behind us now. Ocon behind. On offset 2.0, 1 click forward when you can. We have Ocon and Danny behind us now. They are gone by Giovinazzi. GRS enabled. GRS enabled. And make sure you keep an eye on your battery usage. It costs a lot here. And Ocon is 4 tenths from your DRS. Ocon 4 tenths to get the DRS. Entry 8. And Ocon is 2 tenths from your DRS. And compared to Stroll, only lost is the last 2 corners. And compared to Danny, we can focus a bit more exit turn 13. And Ocon is still 2 tenths behind, 2 tenths to your DRS. And when you can, a little bit of lift off, only when you can. Okay, Ocon has got DRS now. Ocon has got DRS. Engine 7, position 3 for performance. Engine 7, position 3 for performance. On a bit of lift off when we can't make the move. On mode 9, good job here. Mode 9 as soon as we can. Mode 8, mode 8. Consider third to goal for that sector, or we need a little bit more management. Exit turn 7 if you can.
Who is ahead of Stroll?
Vettel. Okay, Pierre, in place we lose compared to Stroll is turn 2-3. He is flat out. We can do 1 step less management, turn 2-3. A small step less management. Be careful, exit turn 7. And Ocon has gone by Leclerc now. He is 3.5 behind. Ocon 3.5 behind. So we are current. Engine 7, position 2. Engine 7, position 2. Okay, Pierre, so it's currently P10 and we still have 2 cars to box in front. Vettel, Ricciardo. Okay, so compared to Stroll, turn 2-3 was more aligned. Now, he's doing less management. Back to mode 6, and we've put the performance there as well. Back to mode 6, you will have the performance. Compared to Danny, we are losing a bit on 12-13, and we are pushing harder on 3-10-11. We can focus a bit more on 12-13, like we did in Q3. And Ocon is 4 behind, Ocon 4 behind. And we have 30 more laps to go, 30 more laps to go. Remember to drink. Okay, we are not sure what's happened to Stroll, but we are starting to open a gap to the cars in front. He might have done a mistake, he went 5 tenths slower last lap.
What is the gap?
Stroll 1.2, Ocon behind 4. Okay, turn 12.
How is the rear slip?
We are close to the limit now. We are not over the limit, but at the limit. So we can afford 3.0 if you can manage. So you can afford 3.0 if you can manage end of braking front lock. And keep doing a bit of lift off when you can't make the move to help us with brake temperatures. And Ocon and Danny are starting to catch up now. Main limitation compared to Stroll is turn 1. And remember a bit of lift off in heavy traffic, sorry. Ocon 2.5 behind now. Consider EB9, one step up. Great job here, great job. Consider mode 8. Engine 11, position 9 for performance. Engine 11, position 9. Consider mode 8 or a bit of anti-deploy, we're on the low side. And if we can get by Vettel, we have a good free air race coming. And remember to use battery carefully, we're not super high. Mode 9, mode 9.
Let's go!
Mode 9, good job. Okay, Pierre, so Ricciardo is 21 in front, 21. So we will monitor the overcut of Ricciardo. I'll keep you posted. Keep looking after your tires.
What's his pace?
Ricciardo is doing 42.8, 42.8. Okay, Pierre, what's your view on tires? For when we have a safety car, if we have a safety car, what's your view on tires?
For now they feel good.
And fail, and not for push, keep it clean. Entry 9, entry 9. And then we need slightly, it's good, we need slightly more management on 20, a little bit more on 20.
Pace.
42.4. Let's just keep it clean for now. Let's just keep it clean. And back to mode 6 when you can. Back to mode 6. And keep focusing on your tires. Vettel is really struggling after 30 laps. Engine 7, position 1. Engine 7, position 1. And the cars in front are doing mid-42, mid-42. Engine 7, position 1. Engine 7, position 1. And Vettel has pitted, so now we have Stroll 8 behind. And main loss is turn 12-13. Focus again, turn 12-13, even if we compromise turn 11. Okay, Ricciardo is out in front now, so the key point is to make it to the end, okay? The key point is to make it to the end. And Stroll 8 behind is a couple of tenths slower. Stroll couple of tenths slower, I keep you posted on them. And you can consider EP8 for rotation, you can see a bit more on the steer now.
Update the pace.
We are looking at it now. Ricciardo is pushing very hard in. Okay, Ricciardo just competing. He should be just in front of you, possibly fighting him. Ricciardo pit exit on prime. He should be just in front of us. Was on Stroll. Stroll was a couple of tenths faster laps. 10 laps to end. Okay, we can do mode 7 for a couple of laps. We can afford mode 7 for a couple of laps. Or we can afford to push a little bit more turn 20 if you can. Turn 20 we can afford with the tires to push a little bit more. Stroll is 5 behind and he's doing 42.8.
Yeah, no, I'm losing time with Ricciardo.
His management. I keep you posted on Stroll. Confirm Ricciardo in the term. 13 laps to go. 13. 6 behind. And if you are able, we're happy to push one step more in high speed. We can push one step more in high speed. The tires are starting to get cold. Engine 7, position 3 for performance. Engine 7, position 3. When you can move to mode 6, we'll have the performance. On 8, Stroll 42.8. Pulling away now. Okay, so Ricciardo is pulling away now, so we keep it pinned to the flag. It's good. Good. More laps after. More laps. 6.4 to Stroll.
Daniel behind Stroll.
Daniel is Danny. Danny. Stroll. He's behind Stroll.
Will be good if they pass him.
Yeah, copy that. That was very good. The carcass. Mode 7 when you can. Mode 7 we can. We are trying to find the optimum.
Say that again, I didn't hear.
Mode 7 is good for a couple of laps. We are trying to find the optimum. We are going optimum with it. And we have this 6 in front with a blue flag. Front with a blue flag. Engine 7, position 1. Engine 7, position 1. Don't worry, we will still have the performance in mode 7. On Fittipaldi in front with a blue flag. Stroll is 7 behind.
So I have margin on the rear.
On Pierre Magnussen is 4 behind. Magnussen is 1 lap down, but he's on new prime and he's a bit faster. I can be posted on him. 5 more laps. And Magnussen is 3 behind. Magnussen 3 behind is 1 lap down, but he's allowed to go past. He's coming fast. 3 more laps. 3 more laps. Magnussen 2.2 behind, 1 lap down. Consider EB9. Consider EB9. And Magnussen is 1.6 behind on new prime. So let's not do anything silly with him. Stroll is 7 seconds behind Magnussen. 7 behind Magnussen. 2 more laps, entry 10 available. And we can consider mode 5 for the next lap. We can consider mode 5 for the next lap.
Let's take up.
Magnussen 1.7, Stroll is 8 behind him, fighting with Ocon. Send it, Pierre, send it. What a job. This is the race we like. Thanks to be back in business. Fail 84, fail 84, fail. And Ocon got past Stroll in the last lap. Ocon P9, Stroll P10.
Yes! Yes! That's the good. I'll get him back in the championship.
Yeah, I was really following this one.
Yeah, it feels good. Last year I lost it for 1 point, this year we get it for 1 point. Honestly, amazing race. I'm really happy to finish the season with such a race. I really enjoyed, and now I just want to say big thanks to all of you guys for all the hard work this season. It's been unbelievable working with you, and very difficult for everybody, all the mechanics, people in Faenza, Bister at the track. Honestly, you've done an amazing job all year long. You can be really proud, and yeah, I cannot wait to get started in 2021 and try to do even better. So thanks a lot.
Thank you, mate. Thank you. You really sent it today. Really good job. So Max won the race, which is a good job for everyone. And Bottas P2, Hamilton P3, Albon P4, and then Norris Sainz close 5 and 6.
Copy. And yeah, also message for Danny, whatever you're gonna do, mate. Just I wish you all the best, Been really good working with you, and yeah, whatever happens, I wish you all the best. I think it's been a really good season all together, and it's been great working together. So, have a good Christmas, guys.
Thank you, mate. Very good spirit. Thank you. And when you start the bridge, it will be P1 and then P0.
Did you enjoy the overtakings? Because I really enjoyed them.
Very much. You sent it from a long way back.
Yeah. Practiced it last year, do you remember?
I do remember. And make sure you switch your car off properly, please. P0 when you got the message.
Why is there that much smoke on the finish line?
Because we've got Mercedes and I think Magnussen enjoying the end of season.
Okay.